How are we doing, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. Let's go over Bitcoin. But first, guys, thank you so much. You might have seen the post. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, guys, for myself, Jake, and Josh for helping us hit 50,000 subscribers here on YouTube. It's honestly just ridiculous. I didn't think we were going to hit that this fast, and you guys are just the most amazing community. So thank you, as I said in the Ethereum video, for sticking with us literally through the highs and lows of this market, and I'm really excited to see what's going to be coming next. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the Bitcoin video today. We've got some bearish signs in the market, but I'm going to show you guys how this is just... Guys, the topic of today is unrelenting long trades in the market are coming in, and this is a bullish sign for a continuation up here. So I'll show that to you guys. Okay, 110 wins, 0 losses. We are about to take our 111th win on Avalanche, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys can watch that trade, because I will call an exit in the Telegram, and then I'll call an entry of when we're getting back in, and also watch for Polygon, Matic, as well as Mana to be our 112th and 113th win. And maybe 114th will actually be Avalanche once we exit it. So we are very close to exiting that. And I'm going to sneak over here real quick if that's okay. We are literally sitting at break even. So any type of pump back up here, guys, for Avalanche, we'll be taking an exit there. So make sure you guys have your membership and you're following me for that. Okay, guys, let's deep dive into Bitcoin. We see that majority of retail traders are seeing that their price action is above the 50, 100, and 200 moving average. This is bullish, guys. Price action above moving averages are great. It means that overall retail traders are looking to still buy this pump and an overall continuation move up here from simply just a higher low formation that I believe is what we're going to form over the weekend and maybe head up even higher. Now take a look at this. Price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion. Well money flow is moving up here drastically while the trend is actually moving down. Okay, I need to explain this to you guys because we're going to get questions about this on email. What is happening is there are so many long trades, and I'm going to show this to you guys here in a second. There are so many long trades on Bitfinex going through right now that money is just piling up for Bitcoin. It means institutions and whales are buying this price of Bitcoin right now because I think they think this trend is going to start pumping back up here and we're going to see some crazy moves. I'm also going to show you guys market cap, which backs that up as well. So going into the end of quarter one and quarter two, this could get ridiculous. You guys know this, when trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high, we're going to be looking for drops back down. We see this here. We saw this happen right over here as well. We saw trend exhaustion high, well money flow high around that same area, these two peaks. It was like a double confirmation here, like watch for this drop back down. We see this right here. We see over here when we push from the top red section there, top red section here, if we go straight up, that's calling this drop in the market there. What you guys are using these indicators for are to scalp the market for long and short trades, as well as exit trades once you're in the profit, and that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys. So everybody who ended up coming down here, taking your long trade scalp when the well money flow was low and trend exhaustion was low, sorry guys, let me turn that off here, you guys were actually able to come out here and get some really nice exits for 3 to 4%. And you guys are taking that up here, and those of you guys who got tagged in to a long trade, if you guys are scalping at these areas, you easily made your 3 to 4%. So great job. Everybody trading with us. You guys have done very, very well, and you guys are making money. So those indicators are in the description. They're 84% off. It's literally our Black Friday sale we have going on right now, so watch that. Over this weekend, I wouldn't doubt, because well money flow is so high, is to start seeing a little bit of a dip back down and seeing the market actually take a little bit of dip over the weekend, and then next week to see a move back up. Let me show you guys more evidence of this on the metrics. Real quick, to access the metrics, as well as to get into all of our trade calls, we're 110 and 0 losses. Here you guys go. It's just $95 a month. That's it. Access all the metrics here, as well as the Telegram channel where I'm going to be calling entries and exits for all of our coins. I'm going to call an exit very soon on Avalanche, so make sure you guys are watching that. And then all the master classes you guys get access to, as well as the inner circle meeting we're going to be doing next month. So I'll come out with an official date with that very soon. Let's now go over the metric for Bitcoin. Let's open this up, and I want to show you guys some things. This is updated already, so this is fresh data at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are now pushing down into the anxious section again. Last time we got here, we moved up. The previous time we got down here, we moved up again. The previous time before that, we ended up moving back up here, okay? So as we start seeing the market get anxious with market cap and long trades skyrocketing over here, this is a bullish sign. Unrelenting long trades. Look at this. This is absolutely ridiculous of how many people are just buying. They're like, we don't care about the dip. We don't care about the dip. We're just going to keep buying. Like, look at this. No phase whatsoever for people in long trades. They're like, nope, we're not only holding, we're going to buy more. This is millions and millions of dollars, guys, being bought right now. And look, short trades completely dropped out. They're like, we are getting the heck out of the way because we think something crazy is coming. Now let me back this up even further, guys. Market cap is rising. Yes, over the last couple of days, we did see a little bit of a dip back down here. Not something to worry about. I think this is healthy for a higher low and then to push to a higher high formation. But look at all the literally billions of dollars coming into Bitcoin as we consolidate. You guys think something might be happening here for our move back up? Possibly, okay? This is why I've been very bullish on Bitcoin and crypto in general lately. Watch these metrics over the weekend, and as they update, they will help you guys trade a lot better. Okay, trades in favor. We're still neutral right here because we're in this basically a sideways channel. But as we start moving back up here, we could see moves back down. Pause right here and let me go over and let me show you guys what the global markets are looking like because this is very bullish. The VUG, the Vanguard Growth ETF, has officially broken out above its descending resistance. Now it's above its descending support. This is incredibly bullish, guys. I did not think the VUG Vanguard Growth ETF would actually pump up this fast. Very, very bullish. We do need to be watching this structure here for a double top formation for a move back down. Now let's go over the S&P 500. The S&P 500 has also broken its most bearish sign here, which was the descending resistance. That was the bearish move back down we're looking for, but it just kept going up, guys. So even the global markets of the S&P 500 and the VUG are looking very healthy. This is why, again, I want to tell you guys, I think with all the metrics and everything we're seeing, this is a healthy higher low for a continuation back up. In the short term, Wells and institutions and smart money are coming out here and they've been acquiring the shorts here. It was very strong and they're already in the profit for Bitcoin, and also other altcoins have been dropping quite a bit. So this makes sense. You see shorts come out here, we're going to see a drop back down in the market. It's just very hard not to get that when institutions and Wells are shorting. So they're already in their profit. I don't know how long they're going to hold this, but here's what you guys can watch. Watch for this orange bar to come back up here and start moving back up closer to the break even here. That will give you guys literally a sign that they're weakening on the shorts, they're pulling them out of the market, and they're switching back over to longs on the drop to pump us up again. That is how you guys can read this. Very powerful metric. Let me show you guys how to get into a Bitcoin trade if you're not already in there. All right. Next resistance I'm really looking at is 42,900. I'm just going to round this to 43,000, okay? It's basically sitting up here right around 43,000. It's at structure high. The next one we're looking at is 46,000. This is the target we're looking to try to hit next week, is 46,000. It's either 46 or we come down to structure support here at 35,000. So it is a 35,000 or it is a 46,000 week next week. Which one are we going to hit? More signs are showing us that we are going to hit the 46 than the 35. Okay, dollar cost average entries here, a couple more metrics, and I'll show you guys how to get into this trade setup to make some money here. Great job, guys. For those of you who entered in down here, everybody's in profit who entered into any of these entries. 5 to 10, 20 years, you guys decide how long you want to hold it. Great job. We are seeing this metric come out here calling this drop, and we did end up seeing this correlate in the market. We are seeing the drop. It called it back over here, and it called it over here as well as these drops in the market here. So make sure you guys are here's the thing for the weekend. Have fun, go out with your family, have a blast, and rest. Do not be worried if the market goes down here a little bit, because I think this is a healthy higher low for a continuation up. That's pretty much what we're looking at. Death Cross is currently active, but we are seeing the 50 moving average starting to curl up just a little bit over here, which is good, and the 200 is starting to move down just a little bit and kind of flatten out. So we're starting to see a potential 50 moving above the 200, which will put us into what's called a golden cross, which could then shoot us up into another bull market. This is looking pretty good, guys, for quarter 2 and 3 of this year. Okay, let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup now. We're going to dive in, and last thing I'll show you guys is the indicator sell we've got going on, and just don't miss that. It literally is the cheapest we'll ever have. All right, Bitcoin. Metrics are updated, guys. You can literally get into a trade right now this morning. This is very close to where we're currently at. You have 4 different buy limits. You can see them over here. Here's how we have gone 110 wins in a row. This is the exact strategy we use, okay? Choose the amount you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions. Now place 250 at each of the yellow lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys will see that, on the chart over here. I'm just giving us a visual example. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. Just a sell limit right up here, okay? That's all you guys are doing. Just a sell limit, and you're looking for that exit, okay? Once you guys do that, simply follow me in Telegram and I will give you guys calls of every single trade that I am exiting. This Bitcoin trade here, if you get in right now, I'm going to be exiting this. Try to exit around structure high up here. So if you guys get in right now, literally this morning, you guys will probably be experiencing about a 27 to maybe a 30% gain on Bitcoin because I'm not going to exit until we're around this structure high right here. So all you have to do is set this up, follow me in Telegram, rinse and repeat, and you will get all the alerts of all the coins that we're earning back into, and just follow us because we've never lost a crypto trade. If you guys are those people who are like, hey, I'm okay being patient and never losing a trade, not to say that we won't ever lose one. Mark us down for one in the future, but I know how to structure this risk management well now after winning over 100 trades in a row. That's going to be very hard for us to ever lose a trade again. So with that said, guys, make sure you guys are signed up over here and join us. The indicators, last thing I'll talk to you guys about real quick, and I'll let you guys, I'll let you go. Sounds like I'm keeping you here. This is awesome, guys. Like, look, if you guys have time, look at the testimonials. This dude over here took his account from $80,000 to $120,000 with our indicators and metrics. Okay? This is ridiculous. He did, $40,000 since, I think it was February 1st. This guy down here, he's like, I have the indicators and I feel like a god now. So let me show you guys about the indicators. The indicators are 84% off. These indicators are 40% off if you guys use coupon code SAVE MONEY. But literally, if you guys are brand new to this channel and you're like, man, what is this crazy guy who's so excited on video and we've never lost a trade? We use these indicators and metrics and this risk management strategy to trade crypto. I have $150,000 of my own money in here, and we're only about less than $25,000 away from break even. The percentage down at right now, I think it's close to 17%, right around that area. So we are doing very well while most accounts are still down around 50, I would say to 55% right now. So guys, the indicators, one-time purchase, grab them once on the biggest sell that we have literally ever had. This is the Black Friday sale we ran last year. So I don't think anybody in the industry goes lower than their Black Friday sale, but so we literally have our Black Friday sale right now. And technically, this is actually cheaper because we ended up raising the indicator prices after Black Friday. So this literally is the cheapest we have ever sold the indicators for, and we will not ever sell them cheaper than this ever. Okay, this is the lowest you guys will ever get this. So make sure you guys get this. Use coupon code MARCH. You have 13 days left and we're going to up the price. So make sure you guys are snagging that today in the description. All right, guys, have an amazing, amazing weekend. Come out here, snag this membership, set everything up over the weekend, buy yourself a cup of coffee. It's why I didn't make it $100, $5, go buy yourself a coffee, guys. Set the indicators up, get into this market. I'm looking for a temporary drop to an overall bull market to continue next week. So let's see what we get here, guys. I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for helping us hit 50,000 subscribers. It means so much to us, and it's just really, really exciting to be with you guys as a family and just work really, really hard, literally every day to crank out 2-3 videos a day to help you guys with these markets. So if you guys find value in this video or what we have over here, guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I think you guys will learn a lot, and I think I can help you guys trade a lot better and help you guys protect your accounts. So I love you guys. Have an amazing weekend. The indicators as well as the membership links are in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of the YouTube video so you guys can click those links and set things up for the weekend. All right, guys, have an amazing day. God bless you, and we'll see you on Monday. All right, bye, guys.